Jumrup Sua Sua Sadai. Let's make Khmer lemongrass beef skewer Psycho Jakak.
Let's go.
First, let's make a Kreoung, our lemongrass paste. If this is your first time, wear gloves if you can because the turmeric can stain. Thinly slice your lemongrass, garlic, galangal, turmeric, and kaffir lime leaves. Next, smash everything in a pestle and mortar. If you don't have this, you can use a processor. So you're gonna want something with a nice marbling or a nice fat content. This is chuck roast, so you can use tri-tip, skirt, so you cut at a bias. So I have mine thinly sliced already, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Not too thin or not too thick. Marinate it with oyster sauce, fish sauce, a little bit of honey, chicken bouillon, optional, Shaoxing Wine. It's gonna help kill the meat smell, the gaminess, and actually helps with tenderizing just a little too. So it doesn't dry out. A little bit of oil, just a pinch of salt. For color, paprika. I like mine a little spicy, a dash of chili powder. Chinese barbecue char siu. And lastly, the star of the show, some Khmer lemongrass paste, Kreoung. I like a lot in mine. I'm gonna be very generous with that. So all it is in a stone pestle and mortar, you're just gonna smash up kaffir lime leaves, some turmeric, galangal, lemongrass, and garlic. Now give it a mix, marinate well. We're gonna refrigerate and let this marinate overnight. If you can't, 4 to 6 hours is fine. Alright, so now I have my marinated meat. I'm gonna take this piece of the beef and I'm just gonna do an over and under. Over and under like you're threading, so you're gonna make like these little ribbons. Push them to the bottom, become like little ribbons, okay? And I have my first one. Just lay it here. Alright, so you could do this outside on a grill. This is my indoor grill, but that sizzle. I love that noise. ASMR. I want to give it a nice char. Okay, we're gonna give it a flip. Ooh, look at that char mark. How beautiful this char. We got a beautiful char now. Cook this 3 to 5 minutes on each side depending how hot your grill is, okay? And voila, we're done. Eat this with papaya salad, pickled veggies. I like to eat it with bok lahong, and you guys want the recipes in the description. Wow, look at that. Come on everybody, come yum by. Mmm. So flavorful. I have my pickled veggies here. Wow, look at that. There's shallots, pepper, and cabbage. So good with the lemongrass beef stick. Mmm. Woo. Spicy, it has kick. The pickled veggies pair so well with the lemongrass beef stick. Mmm. Rice. Oh, I just need some bok lahong. Oh my god. Rice is so fluffy with the so good with the skewers. Dude, the beef sticks and the pickled veggies just goes hand in hand. Piece of the pepper. Ooh! Spicy. Like the fat. Guys, I ate 2 already. It's so good, guys. It's sweet, savory, and herby from that lemongrass. From that signature Kreoung, that lemongrass. When you pair this up with the pickled veggies, it adds another layer of flavor. It's citrusy, tangy, savory. So good. Pickled veggie is so good, I have to drink it. Ooh, tangy. Alright, this is perfect for summer. Alright, so I ate 4 sticks. It was that good. For those who are new to my channel and you enjoyed this episode, you can support me by hitting that subscribe button. I also food blog in SoCal and do home cooked recipes. So good, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna eat the 4th one. That's the fat in between. So good.